Welcome, my name is Erica. I am owner of Simply Lash, lash artist and trainer, and I'm here to help you grow your business, skill set, and mindset. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get clients when you feel like business is slowing down. The great thing about being a lash artist is that once you get clients, you actually don't need to keep marketing all the time because typically they're coming every 2 to 3 weeks. So once you've built a clientele, it's like really an amazing situation. Like you've built your clientele and then you can actually take your foot off of the pedal a little bit and take your clients and lash and all that good stuff, right? You don't have to be continually marketing like other industries. So for permanent makeup, for example, those people are constantly coming in for new clients because they only get a service one time. But again, for lashes, you're coming every 2 to 3 weeks. So once you have your established clientele, you can actually not market that much and just take your clients. So that's the great thing about it. But what do you do when your clientele is actually slowing down? Let's say you've had a few fall off, like a few clients fall off of your books. Maybe you've just slowed down a little bit. There's a few things you can do. The biggest thing that I recommend you do is that you use your current clients to get new ones. So you can do that by incentivizing them to send their friends to you. Just be mindful that clients actually hang out with people similar to them. So if you have a client that you really, really love, that is who I would ask to share your information with to their friends. And you want to incentivize them. So if you were a client, like why would you start coming to you and like why would you start referring your friends to somebody? Let me give you a very quick example. My daughter gets her nails done by this lady, by her work, okay? And she's a waitress, my daughter, okay? So she is always getting compliments on her nails because she talks like this, like I do with her hands constantly, okay? So she's talking with her hands and all of these tables that she sees are like, your nails are so pretty. And she says, thank you so much. I actually go right next door to so-and-so. So then she goes and gets her nail done a couple weeks later, right? So the lady's like, you have sent me so many people. Everyone's telling me that you're like sending me all these people. They saw my nails on the waitress over here at such and such place. So she's like, if you want to keep sending people, I'll give you a discount on your nails. That is an incentive, okay? So now she gets a discount every time she gets fills and she keeps sending people and telling people about who's doing her nails. This is what you want to do, okay? So you want to think about your cheerleader clients who are talkative, they're outgoing. These are the kind of people, the cheerleaders, who are really going to help you grow your business. One more quick story to give you an example. I used to work across the street from a USAA, like the big insurance company, and I had a client come from there, and I actually had several clients come from there, but this one client, everybody knew. Everybody knew this lady, and she is like an amazing salesperson. She tells everybody everything, what they should be doing next. We all know that person, right? The person who's like, you have to try this, you have to try that. This is the new thing. They're always in the know. She literally sent me so many clients. I gave her $10 off every time that someone came in and said that she sent them. I would give her $10 off a fill anytime I heard someone mention her name. This lady got $10 off on so many fills for so long, and she was so happy because she's getting a discount, and I was basically getting free advertising. That's less than I would pay for a Facebook ad. It's less than I would pay for a Google ad. It's less than I would pay for a boosted Instagram post, which some people have success with, some people don't, but this is a really easy way to get your current clients to go market for you. And you know that they know your service, so if other people have questions, they're going to answer all of that for them. Now, I also have clients that I adore, and they're really quiet people, and they aren't really like that. They're not big cheerleaders. You can also incentivize them because they may still tell their friends about you. But if it were me, I would mostly promote this to the people who are more like cheerleaders. They're very outgoing. They like to talk to a lot of people. They're social butterflies. Those are the kind of people you're looking for. And as a bonus tip, I wanted to offer you one more thing to think about. When you are looking for new clients, think about people who work with the public all the time, okay? So like my daughter, the waitress, right? So she is in restaurants around tons of people all the time, and she's adorable and she's chatty and she likes to talk to people, so people are naturally want to like talk to her and be around her. So she is a great person to do that, right? So bartenders, waitresses, hairstylists are also have your same clientele, and they're talking to people all day long too. And also like nail artists, right? So you can do cross referrals. So these are things you want to think about. These are easy, free ways to market. I mean, yeah, you might be giving them an incentive here and there, but it's going to be cheaper than any other marketing you're going to do. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I wanted to keep this short. And if you want to grow your business, your skill set, or your mindset, continue to follow me. Share this with some friends who might need to hear this. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you don't have anything nice to say, you don't need to say anything at all. And also, I am on Instagram at simplylash.us, or you can go to my website at www.simplylash.us. See you next time.